What does the historic Flatiron Building interior look like? Imagine stepping inside a building that has stood for over 100 years, and you might think it's all about the outside. But the inside of the Flatiron Building has its own story. Right now, the interior is in a state of big change. The building is being turned from office spaces into luxury apartments. This process is called adaptive reuse. It means they are saving the historic look on the outside while updating the inside for modern living. As of today, the inside looks like a construction zone. Walls are being taken down, ceilings are being removed, and the building's bones are showing. You can see the original steel frame, which was a key part of how early skyscrapers were built. When the Flatiron Building first opened in 1902, it was mainly used for offices. The layout was simple, designed to make the most of its unusual triangle shape. The inside was practical, not fancy. It was built for business, so the focus was on function. Back then, there were no women's restrooms in the building, which shows how different the norms were. Later, they added these amenities. The finishes inside were basic, with plain materials and little decoration. It was all about getting work done, not impressing visitors. Today, as part of the renovation, many of the original features are being saved. For example, the old staircase and the exposed steel structure are being kept. These elements tell the story of the building's early days. The new design aims to blend these historic features with modern comforts. The developers want residents to feel connected to the building's past while enjoying today's amenities. They are updating electrical systems, plumbing, and layouts to meet current standards. This change shows how New York City balances history with progress. The Flatiron's interior transformation is a good example of how old landmarks can be given new life. It also reflects the city's trend of repurposing historic buildings for new uses. For visitors and locals alike, the ongoing work inside the Flatiron is a reminder of the city's constant change. The future of the building will combine preserved historic details with modern apartment living, making sure it stays relevant for many more years.